Lecture 9, ChatGPT for Business and Marketing Teams. If your team is constantly checking emails, strategy docs, market analysis, and client pitches, this lecture will save you hours. You will learn how to use ChatGPT as a business assistant to draft reports, shape marketing strategies, simplify data, and create compelling pitches that resonate with clients or stakeholders. Whether you're in a startup or a large organization, this tool can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use ChatGPT to create strategy documents and campaign briefs, conduct basic market research and competitor analysis, generate client-ready marketing content like taglines, ads, and email pitches, simplify raw data into insights for decision making. Here is what businesses and marketing teams can use ChatGPT. Draft strategy documents and campaign plans. Need a quick outline for a new campaign or product launch? You can try this prompt as: write a one-page marketing strategy for launching a new eco-friendly water bottle aimed at college students, and press enter. Output includes product name, target audience, key messaging, marketing channels, and the strategies as well, and timeline and suggested KPIs as well. Refinement tip: ask follow-ups like, turn this into a presentation outline For example, you just try this one. So this is the presentation: slide 1, slide 2, slide 3 is for target audience, and it has 10 slides, closing and call to action. But if you want to write this for a CEO update, you can write as, write this for a CEO update, and press enter. So this is what you get from ChatGPT, and you can use it with a little tweak as your own needs and requirements. Run market research in minutes. Don't have time for a full report? Use ChatGPT for quick summaries. For example, you just write a prompt in here as, summarize recent market trends in the fitness wearable industry, and press enter. So this is what you get from ChatGPT as key market trends. So the first one is robust market growth, form factor diversification, feature enhancements and AI integration, health and longevity focus, privacy and data security, and all these points. Or you can just write a prompt in here as, list 3 key competitors of brand. For example, you just write Samsung, because they are producing fitness wearables as well. So with their positioning and press enter. So this is what you get as an output. The first one is Apple, the second one is Garmin, and the third one is Fitbit, owned by Google. So this is their positioning and the pricing as well. So they start from $99 to $300. Ask it to simulate customer personas, and for that you can just write a prompt in here as, create 2 customer personas for a mid-tier smartwatch brand and press enter. So the ChatGPT responds with this output as Persona 1 with all the details like age, location, occupation, income, education, marital status, and even tech comfort level as well. And the goals, buying behavior, and everything. And the second persona is Jessica Monroe, the wellness first mom. Her age is 41, and this is how it just gives you the output. So it just gives you everything that you need to create a strategy for your product. This helps in campaign targeting without spending days on data. Generate copy for ads, emails, and landing pages. Stop staring at a blank doc. Start with write 3 variations of a Facebook ad for our product, a planner app for busy students, and press enter. So this is ad variation 1 with headline, body text, and call to action button as well. And the second ad variation is this one with headline, body text, and call to action button. And the third one is like casual plus friendly, headline, body text, and call to action button. You will get different tones, formal, friendly, and humorous, and can pick the best fit. For cold outreach or nurturing leads, you can just write a prompt in here as start a new chat and write drop a friendly follow-up email to a client who downloaded our pricing brochure last week, and press enter. So this is what you get as an output. And you can just refine it by just giving the prompt as make it shorter and more persuasive, and press enter. So this is the shorter version but a little more persuasive. Simplify analysis for decision making. Give it numbers or bullet points for meeting, and just write a prompt in here as summarize the following sales data and suggest 2 possible action steps, and just paste the data that you have in here. For the AirPods May 2025 sales overview, and just click on that. This is summary like that you have already provided, and these 2 are the recommended action steps that you can follow. You can also ask write a summary of this marketing performance report for an executive who wants only key insights, and press enter. So this is a summary that you get that you can just present to any executive. ChatGPT is not replacing your business brain. It's clearing the clutter so you can focus on strategy, vision, and action. From briefs to customer copy, marketing insights to pitch decks. It's a tool that brings speed and clarity into your team's workflow. Once you know the right prompts, it becomes less of a chatbot and more of a business partner.